Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back again in your next lecture. I am here with the topic capital letters. We had already started the topic capital letters. Today we will do a little bit warm up and we will do the rest of the exercise. Okay. So what I told you, where to use capital letters? We use capital letters when we write anybody's name, our name, surname, middle names. The first letter of the spelling will be start with the capital letter. If you want to write the spelling of any city, any place, at that time also you have to start the spelling with capital letter. If you are going to start any sentence, that also should be start only in capital letter, and at the end of the sentence we have to put full stop as a punctuation mark. Okay, if you wants to write the names of the road, names of the monuments, that also starts first letter should start in capital letter itself. Okay, जैसे days of the week, if you want to write the days of the week, that should also comes in capital word. Okay, months, then festivals, important days, then languages, fresh lines of the poem. The first letter should be in capital. That already we had seen. The pronoun I and O also should comes in capital letter. We write I always in capital letter. We will not write I in small letter. If you want to write that my name is so and so, I live, so we have to write I in capital letter because I stands for us. Okay, I stands for us, so it should be always comes in capital letter. We will not use I in small letter. मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को देखा है, वो एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं या नेम लिख रहे हैं या अपने बारे में लिख रहे हैं तो आई वो स्मॉल लिखते हैं. सो दैट इज रॉन्ग. आई स्टैंड्स फॉर अस, सो इट शुड ऑलवेज कम्स इन कैपिटल लेटर. हाँ, लेकिन जैसे आई टी इट, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आई टी इट में आई आ रहा है तो आप वहां पर कैपिटल लगाएंगे. आई मतलब अकेला आई, इट ऑलवेज कम्स इन कैपिटल लेटर. ओके, हमने कुछ यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज की थी. नंबर 4 तक हम कंप्लीट कर चुके थे. So today I am here. It's there on page number 31 in your pencil book. Semester 2 English Grammar, chapter number 7, capital letters. In that, number 5 is there. She can speak Hindi, comma English and French fluently. So that also we have to write in capital letters. So let's see what we can write here. S will come in capital letter. She can speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak Hindi. Hindi is a language, so it will come in capital letter, comma English. English is also a language, so it will also come in capital letter. English and, okay, A-N-D, and French. French is also a language, so it will come in capital letter here. French fluently, F-L-U-E-N-T-L-Y, full stop. At the end of the sentence, what you have to put? Full stop. She can, okay, she can speak, मतलब वो बोल सकती है हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच फ्लुएंटली, मतलब अच्छे से वो बोल सकती है हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच. नाउ कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंस इन योर बुक. we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. So here also what we have to do, we have to start the sentence with capital letter. Okay, so this is number 5. Now I am going to write number 6. Okay, we. So here W will come in capital letter. We celebrate Christmas. So Christmas is the name of a festival. So first letter will come in capital. Christmas. Christmas on 25th. Now December. December is the name of a month. So here also we'll start from capital. 25th December. Okay. Every year. At the end of the sentence, full stop. Okay. So we celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. Recently we had celebrated Christmas. Okay. Now complete this sentence in your book. Okay, now number 7. We will do number 7 here. You can meet us on Sunday. Number 7. You can meet us on Sunday. So Y will come in capital letter. You can meet us on Sunday. Sunday is a day of a week. So here again Sunday. 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 Full stop. Okay. Okay, so here now I have no space on my board, so I am going to rub the sentences here. Number 8. What is there on number 8? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai. What is Mumbai? Mumbai is the name of a city, so it will come in capital letter. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the name of a state, so it will also again come in capital letter. Okay, Maharashtra. Full stop. Now number 9. Okay, what is there on number 9? His brother and I are good friends. His brother. The first letter will start with capital. His brother and I stands for us, so it will come in capital letter. I. Okay, his brother and I are good friends. Full stop. Okay, his brother and I are good friends. His brother and I matlab khud, I are good friends. Okay. You are not able to see here the spelling of friends, so I am going to write here. Full stop. Number 10. Independence Day and Republic Day are national festivals of India. Independence Day falls on 15th August. It is a national day. And Republic Day we celebrate on 26th January. It is also a national festival, so both will come in capital. Okay, so Independence Day. Independence Day, D-A-Y, Day, and Republic Day. Republic Day. Okay, are national नेशनल, वो किसी रिलीजियस का नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स और नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एनी रिलीजियस, वो सारे देश के लोग उसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इज एट ए नेशनल फेस्टिवल. फेस्टिवल्स of India. India is a country name, so it will also come in capital letter. Okay, India, full stop at the end, we have to write full stop. Okay, here after Republic Day you are not able to see here, so I am going to rub here number 8. And again I am going to write number 10 here, so it will be possible for you to write, see and write from the board. Okay. Independence Day. Independence Day and Republic Day. And Republic Day are national festivals of India. Of India. At the end you have to put full stop. Okay. Now complete this. So here students, we had completed the exercise related to capital letters, where to use capital letters and where to use full stop. So now turn the page, page number 32 is there. Complete the color, the label as given below. So here you have to write the poems. Okay, the picture is there related to the poem Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. So this is your homework. This you have to complete and you have to send the pic of that picture to me. Okay, so page number 32 I am giving you as homework. Homework, page number have to do in your book. You have to write the poem Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, and you know the terms and conditions how to write the poem. Here we had see it's there on page number 3030. Number 10 it's there. To begin each fresh line of a poem, the first letter should comes in capital letter. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, ये भी ध्यान रखना है कहाँ पे कॉमा आएगा, कहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप आएगा. तो इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको ये पेज नंबर 32 की पोयम कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, सो हियर वी हैड कंप्लीटेड द टॉपिक. द टॉपिक इज कैपिटल लेटर्स. अब आपको ध्यान रखना है कहाँ पे हमें कैपिटल लेटर्स यूज करना है, कहाँ पे हमें फुल स्टॉप यूज करना है. हमें कहीं पर भी बीच में भी कैपिटल लेटर्स किसी भी जगह पे नहीं लिखना है. सिर्फ हमें ध्यान रखना है नेम ऑफ द पर्सन आ रहा है, नेम ऑफ द प्लेस आ रहा है, नेम ऑफ द रोड आ रहा है, नेम ऑफ द मॉन्यूमेंट आ रहा है, तो ही हमें कैपिटल लेटर को बीच में लिखना है. नहीं तो कुछ तो भी हमें नहीं लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा नहीं हो कि मेरे को लिखना है आई लाइक्स टू ईट आइसक्रीम, तो मैं उसको ऐसा लिख दूं आई लाइक्स टू ईट आइसक्रीम. अगर आप ऐसे लिखते हैं तो दिस वॉज रॉन्ग. ओके, ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो हमेशा हमें ध्यान रखना है कि हमें हर सेंटेंस के बीच में कैपिटल लेटर कहीं पर भी नहीं डालना है. जहाँ पे जरूरी है वही डालना है. जैसे भी आपने देखा हमने 10 पॉइंट्स करे हैं. जहाँ पे नेम ऑफ द सिटी आ रहा है हमने कैपिटल लेटर यूज किया है बीच में. नेम ऑफ द लैंग्वेज आ रही है हमने कैपिटल लेटर यूज किया है बीच में. नेम ऑफ द पर्सन आ रहा है हमने कैपिटल लेटर किया है यूज बीच में. नेम ऑफ द प्लेस यस वी हैड यूज्ड. नेम ऑफ द रोड यस वी हैड यूज्ड. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि कहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर यूज करना है बीच में और कहाँ पे नहीं करना है. चाहे जहाँ किसी भी जगह पे कैपिटल लेटर का यूज नहीं किया जाता है. और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि सेंटेंस की जो स्टार्टिंग होती है फर्स्ट लेटर वो कैपिटल में होता है और जो एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस होता है वहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप लगाया जाता है. So this we had completed the content. The name of the content is capital letters. Now it's your turn to revise the chapter again, and you have to do the things. You have to do the reading from page number. It was there on page number 29 and 30. The reading part you have to do by yourself at home. आपको देखना है, पढ़ना है, कहाँ पे क्या यूज हो रहा है कैपिटल लेटर, कहाँ पे नहीं यूज हो रहा है, इस चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है. Okay, till then, bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.